Hi, I'm Skip Fry at Design World this year. I work for FCi, and I'd like to show you our power demonstrator. We are running 120 amps through the entire circuit that you see here, and then we're measuring contact resistance on the screen, and it shows the different resistance of the various connectors that we make at FCi. You can see that we have 3 generations of PwrBlade. And you can see by the measurements that PwrBlade has a higher resistance than PwrBlade Ultra. And so Ultra gives you greater density for current because of the lower resistance. Also has a smaller footprint on the PC board, which is an advantage in new applications. We also show an orthogonal power connector called PwrMAX Ortho on the far right. That is a new release for 2015, and it carries 100 amps per circuit, and it's available in a 2-circuit configuration for true orthogonal applications. We also have bar guide, which is a PC board to PC board or bus bar to bus bar connector, and it also functions as a guide pin. It has a large amount of gatherability and permanent misalignment for high tolerance applications of bus bar to PC board situations. We also show our bus bar production capabilities, as you can see in the red and the blue bus bars in the demonstrator. And then attaching to those bus bars is bar clip. Latching bar clip on the one end, and then bar clip I/O attaching to the 2 bus bars here. Bar clip I/O is on 17 millimeter pitch, which is consistent with the Open Compute bus bar standard. And that is all I have for FCi powered demo.